Hi everyone, it's Claire at Enchanted Soap. So this is just a very quick video on how I make one of our whip soaps. So first of all, we start with the base of the whip soap, which you can see in this bowl right here. Following that, we add in some kaolin clay, and then we add our fragrance, our apricot kernel oil, and our polysorbate 80. In these ones we have our colours that we are using for the soap, and we have the whisk that I'm going to be using to add it all together. Okay, so firstly we're going to get the whisk and we are going to whisk this up. What we want is for it to double in size, like that. And when it's doubled in size, you can tell, obviously, because it is a lot more creamy, a lot more fluffy, and it looks absolutely fabulous, a bit creamy. So as you can tell, we leave this for a few seconds just to sit so it's not too aired, and then we mix it all together. And we added our kaolin clay. As you can see, we give that a good mix and make sure that's all mixed in. I usually do this with the whisk and make sure it's all set absolutely perfect. On top of this, I've added a little bit of white mica. This will help it just to have a little bit of a sheen. Instead of it just being that creamy white, it will have a nice glittered white effect. In this upper bowl, I have put some blue, and in this bowl I have put a purple, and these get mixed together, and then we will place them on our greaseproof paper. So here they all are in a line. As you can see, there's purple, then the white, then the blue. This is just the colour choice I went for at the time, but it really didn't matter which way around I did it. With the three colours, it kind of all will smush. So we roll the paper around. This is done one-handed, so it was extremely hard whilst trying to film, so I did have to stop. There we go. It was all folded up, and then we pop it straight into our piping bag. See all the three colours? So they look absolutely fine. So that goes straight into the piping bag. Again, this bit was really difficult one-handed, but I did eventually manage. So in it goes, and we shake it so most of the greaseproof is down at bottom. Give the bag a twist at the top and a slight squeeze, and then we're ready to pipe. Now in this one we're using a Russian piping tip, and we put it straight in the bottom and let it just pipe its way up. As you can see, with a Russian piping tip, it does give that gorgeous individual swirl going up the top. Now this is really hard to do one-handed again, but I think we managed okay. So here is the result. We'll just smush it down a bit, get a bit of that air out so you get more product for your money. And then we just fill the top a little bit more, and then give it a quick twist at the top to give that gorgeous finish above. And there you have it. A gorgeous Russian piped whip soap, looking absolutely fabulous. Again, our whip soaps are available on our website at www.enchantingsoap.co.uk, and you can find us on our social medias at Enchanted Soap. Bye!